Hello everyone, Deb here. I am sharing with you my planner for the week of Monday, April 1st, which is known here sometimes as April Fool's Day. I did not put that on there. I couldn't find a sticker and I didn't feel like writing it. I wrote it on my monthly. Anyway, and that week goes through Sunday, April 7th in this planner. It is a Monday through Sunday weekly, but the monthly is Sunday through Saturday, which I wish they'd keep them the same. But anyway, it's okay. I don't mind starting fresh on Mondays in the weekly because that's when I do more things, usually is Monday through Friday or Saturday. Anyway, I decided to finish this sticker sheet from Recollections, and all the ones that were left on it were roses or rose themed. And these here, not that one, these three up here, this one, this one, this one, this one. And then I added to that a few out of this. This is a Walmart pack. I added this Keep Going and Believe in Yourself. And then this one and this one were out of Happy Planner books. I don't remember which ones. Spring is the time of plans and projects. Yes, it is. And I was thinking earlier today, I really want to. I drove by a place the other day that has pansies for sale, purple and yellow. And I really want to get some of those and maybe put them around my mailbox, the bottom of my mailbox at the street. I think that would look pretty. But I didn't do it yet because I'm afraid to plant anything outside before first frost. And I also bought some daisy seeds at, I think, a Dollar Tree, or was it somewhere else? Anyway, it says right on there, don't plant till after first frost outside. And I'm not starting them in the house. And then I used, these were out of a Happy Planner too. Just on the, I covered up where I put blue X's with my erasable pen. I'm still using, and I'm using the black one too. I'm using the black one mostly, if I go back to the week I'm actually recording this, to check off and write things in that I did that maybe weren't on there originally. I'm recording this on Wednesday, the 27th of March, because I wanted to get rid of the sticker pack because it's big and it was flopping around here. All right, so that's really it. This was a Happy Planner sticker too. It says choose happy today. The saying that was already in here is ponder and deliberate before you make a move. Wise advice. Um, all right, so gratitude, let's try. Let's try to use the book again. I am going to close my eyes. I'm going to try and open to something and just pick. Well, I went in the same area. What does that say? Hammocks. Well, I think I'd rather be happy for the kitty and the flowers in it. And the butterfly. All right, I can write that. I'm going to put it in notes again and I'll come up with my own gratitude. I'll leave space. So, per the book, number 407. Per the book, number 407. Grateful for, I don't have a hammock. I have a swing thing out on my patio. I have an enclosed patio. Um, but with pictures of a kitty, flowers, butterflies, and butterflies as well. Flies that I am more grateful for. And I haven't seen any butterflies yet, but we do have flowers. We have lots of daffodils right now. A few hyacinths have come up, and tulips are pushing up, and then some of my other plants like hosta and stuff like that are starting to push up through the ground too. So that was a weird one for this time of year, but hammocks. Guess it means to relax. And speaking of that, relax and recharge. I am not putting things on Sunday, and sometimes I'm not putting things on Saturday anymore because I feel like I need those days to regroup and maybe finish things I hadn't finished before. I did put something in here. Let's just go through the days. The first is one of my small payday from a pension. I actually have a pension. Unfortunately, it's a taxable pension, and yeah, so I owe taxes this year anyway. So I pay early month bills. I have a couple that actually they auto pay, but I always check on them. And I also do a budget review. I review actuals I spent in March. I have a spreadsheet I keep for for the year, and I do a budget and I keep track of the actuals. Anyway, I'm a spreadsheet girl because I worked with them all my life. So anyway, then I check April's budget based on March and based on things I know are coming up, like taxes due. I know I already have it in there. And I need to probably transfer some money out of a small savings I have to pay the taxes later this week. I did the preliminary taxes. That's why I know I have to do that. So anyway, this is probably going to be a paperwork day, and I might even add to this, but I'm not going to write it in right now, is clean my email up. I can't keep up with email, guys. I get so many ads. I'm going to have to unsubscribe to all these stores, paper crafting stores, beading stores, and all that, and maybe just keep 2 or 3. I have to unsubscribe to all the rest. My inbox is bombarded every single day with ads from these places. Plus, I get other junk, and then sometimes I don't see the real emails and stuff. So I really need to clean the email. And I had done that about a week and a half ago. And I also, oh, I didn't write that in. I also cleaned part of my computer off. What day was that? Um, I don't know, but I'll put it on Tuesday. I think it might have been it was the day my son did his taxes. This day. Yeah, I had a whole bunch of stuff going on. It was pouring rain that day. Um, okay, I'm going to write on here. I should write it in black. I transferred some files to a special hard drive. I backed up basically all my YouTube video files. I do it periodically. Video files to back up because my computer was acting weird, and although it had some space left, I took a lot of videos off and I deleted drafts and stuff like that, and it freed up a lot of room, and my computer's running so much better. So yay. All right, so that I'll probably do that on Monday too. So it won't be a crafty day. And then Tuesday, and I put you do you. Sometimes I feel like I need to be like other people, and I can't. I can't. I'm just going to be me. And, well, never mind. I'm not going to go there. So anyway, Altered Index 2024, hosted by Nonstop Paper Crafts. Week 13 on Tuesday, she comes up with the new prompts. So whatever they are, I will try and make that and do a video that day. And also, Penny's Crafty Creations is having a 3-year YouTube anniversary challenge. You have to be a visible subscriber of hers. And what it is to make stacked and decorated envelopes with 2 pieces of ephemera in each envelope. And she has how she did it on her channel, and then she listed a name of how somebody else did it. It's different. I have done an envelope flip before, and there were like 5 envelopes, but they were all different sizes, and they were hooked together with a ring. And I still have the one that it was a swap that somebody gave me hanging on my door over here. But this is different. This is more flat. It'd be better for flat mail and stuff. Anyway, it's not due till May 10th. Um, and she's going to do the drawing on the 17th, but I want to get it done and out of the way. So I'm going to start on it here. If I don't get it done, because I don't know how long this is going to take me, then I have finished it on Thursday, Wednesday. So basically, Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be my paper craft days, I think is how this is mostly turning out, and maybe another day. Wednesday and normally Fridays, I think, are going to be my jewelry days. And some weeks maybe more jewelry days than others, and other weeks will be more paper craft heavy. Um, okay, so Thursday is hashtag Deck the Year, week 14. I have not made that yet, and I do have a plan for it. Which I won't share with you, so it'll be a surprise because we do our own prompts. I have come up with ideas all the way through June for what I think I want to do, all subject to change. That's why another reason I don't want to tell you, because I'm not sure I want to do that particular one that I originally said. Anyway, I will make that and do the video the same day unless something comes up. And I will also try and make 1 week ahead so that if I make 2 this week and 2 next week, then I'll be done for April, and then I can take a break from it because then the middle of the month is more heavy for me in jewelry stuff. And finish her Penny's 3-year anniversary challenge. I already said that. Friday, I have a video already scheduled to go up. It's the Crash Your Stash and for hashtag First Friday, hosted by Not Too Shabby Chic and Lilo Crafts. Lilo. The prompts were apron, tattered, and a bonus tuck. So if you want to see that, come back and see that video. It's scheduled to go up Friday morning on the 5th. And I failed to mention, where's the 3rd? Oh, because I buried it. On the 3rd, there's also a video going up already scheduled called Build Your Stash. The host is at Grandma Misty. Her channel name is Misty Delaney. And this month it's a wedding card or cards. I only did one, but come see what I did there. And that's already scheduled. And then so Friday this time, I already did the first draft of my taxes for federal and state. I need to review it one more time and then officially file the return. Saturday, I just put work on my hashtag junk no more and or my purple junk journal. Have little flips in here, just put down with washi. The washi tape, did I show you that, is from Recollections. I had some, actually this is a combination of a couple different ones, I think, because this looks different and this looks different. I think I pulled some out, put some in, because I had another similar one. It wasn't exactly the same, but it was similar, and I mixed and matched them. So there you have it. There is my planner for the week of April 1st through April 7th. And you will be seeing this hopefully on Monday, April 1st. And I should have written my planner video in. Video. And this is hosted by at Crafty Girl Chronicles. And it is called Plan, Fun, Get Things Done. And you know, this really is keeping me more on track than I would be because I'm getting more forgetful, I think, as I get older. Anyway, that one is what I'm doing right now, and it will be up on Monday, April 1st, early in the morning for Eastern Time, US. Okay, have a wonderful week ahead, everyone, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.